Imagine yourself in this 2010 Toyota Tundra 4WD Truck Limited. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: bed liner, daytime running lights, tow hitch, 4-wheel drive, tow hooks, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, fog lamps and privacy glass. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.